The ecological tea garden of Liu Pao Tea, constructed according to the standard, must be managed according to the requirements of green and pollution-free. Today, we'll learn the main contents of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden Management. The management standards of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden mainly include: first, technical regulations for tea production. Second, technical specification for production of organic tea. Third, technical specifications for tea production. Fourth, regulations on quality and safety control of exported tea. Technical specifications for production quality control of pollution-free agriculture products. Part 6, Tea Leaves. Sixth, good agriculture practices for tea. Seventh, technical specification for Liu Pao tea production. Let's first understand the main contents of the management of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden. Yang tea plantations are characterized by poor stress resistance of tea trees, bare soil between tea rows, and rapid growth of tea trees. Therefore, the main work content of Yang tea garden management is: 1. Carefully cultivate and ensure the full and strong seedlings of the tea garden. 2. Proper sitting or covering between rows shall be carried out for soil improvement to prevent water and soil loss. 3. Shaping and pruning tea trees to cultivate high-yield crown. Next, we will learn the specific measures of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden Management. 1. Carefully cultivate and ensure the full and strong seedlings of the tea garden. Do a good job in the following aspects. The supplementary seedlings are the same as the original tea seedlings, and early spring and late autumn are better. Drought-resistant shallow tillage, soil cultivation, grass laying between rows, irrigation in summer, autumn and dry season. Suitable tea species for sitting in shade tea forests include Taiwan acacia, mountain tree, ginkgo, etc. Anti-freezing winter root cultivation, interrow grass laying, sufficient base fertilizer irrigation, overwintering water, etc. Second, the young tea trees should be shaped and pruned to cultivate high-yield tree crowns. Pruning tools, such as pruning shears or hedge shears, are usually used to shape and trim tea trees. Shaping pruning is generally carried out 3 times. The first time is trimming the top. The tea seedling can reach 2 full-term age. The seedling height is more than 30 centimeters. The trimming can begin when the main branch is thicker than 3 millimeters. Leave a height of about 15 centimeters after cutting. The second time is 1 year after the first fixed shear, 15 centimeters higher than the last trimming, and cut off the upper branches. The third is horizontal cutting. 1 year after the second trimming, 15 to 20 centimeters higher than the last cut, and cut flat. The height of the tea tree trimmed for 3 times is about 40 to 50 centimeters. The tea tree skeleton has been basically formed. Later, it is supplemented by topping, light picking, and light pruning to further cultivate the crown and picking surface. The tool used for light pruning is hedge shears or trimmers. Third, soil management. The soil management of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden should do the following work: soil improvement, deep plowing, applying organic fertilizer, cutting soil mixed with sand, intercropping green fertilizer, etc. Shallow tillage and weeding can be combined with fertilization in tea garden. At the same time, loosen the topsoil and kill weeds. Interrow grass laying. The overall interrow grass laying thickness is 5 to 10 centimeters. Straw, wheat straw, bean straw, wool grass, and green fertilizer can be used as straw paving materials. Fourth, fertilizer and water management. The supply of phosphorus and potassium fertilizer should be appropriately increased for young tea plants. The reasonable water demand and irrigation time shall be determined according to the soil moisture, tea growth, and climatic conditions. It shall be possible to discharge water and irrigate water in case of rainy and waterlogging storage. In this class, we learned the main contents of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden Management. The management of young tea plantations must carry out various work in accordance with the requirements of green and pollution-free. Finally, please review the management of Liu Pao Tea Yang Tea Garden.